Dudes, what's up? I wanted to make a little video and take this opportunity to connect with you guys and talk about the El Camino build, because we're a couple videos in and everything's going good. I'm getting feedback from everybody. I'm getting some messages, I'm getting some comments, and it's all positive. And there's also been some criticism that is also positive from good dear friends of mine, and that really matters to me. So I want to just get on that point a little bit. You've probably noticed that when I'm filming that thing, like right now I'm freestyling this. I don't have anything written down. I don't have anything planned what I'm gonna say. When it comes to the El Camino videos and that build, what I did was that I filmed everything. I didn't talk to the camera because I like to get right in it sometimes and just get to work. So I put the cameras up and I filmed, and I just had them on mounts. I didn't talk to them. I had music going. I was just concentrating on what I was doing, and then I did the voiceover thing after. Now, I wanted to make the El Camino video series be sort of like a TV show, because I grew up watching stuff like Monster Garage and all those car shows on Discovery Channel, so that's kind of the way it plays. So I filmed everything before, and as I go through the work, I watch the videos, and then I actually write down what I did in those scenes and what I did in the videos, and then I can take a chance and tell you guys about how I did it and how I felt about doing it and the whole experience and what it meant and everything else. But the thing is, yeah, it kind of looks like I've been reading something, you know? Like, it's not the same tone. Like I said, right now I'm kind of freestyling it, so I'm just kind of bouncing around and making it up as I go. And this is me. This is just me talking to you guys. Now with those videos, because they've been filmed and I've done everything already, and now I'm just giving you guys a voiceover and description, it's sort of like a script that I have to follow. So I haven't been my enthusiastic self doing that. Now that's going to change in future videos and everything, because I realized it, so I got to kind of step it up a little bit, because these videos, like, I don't want it to look like I'm bored, because I'm not. I'm actually, I love doing this and I'm just having a blast. So I want you guys to feel that same vibe when you watch the video. I want it to put you in a good mood. I want it to make you happy. And that's the kind of feeling that I think I'm missing from the other ones. It's playing off like a little bit of, you know, the evil sounds and the scary spookiness and stuff like that, you know, but I don't ever want to do anything too serious to the point where it's like depressing. I mean, lucky enough, it seems to be engaging video. It's getting the most out of my watch time. The audience retention is lasting longer on these videos than any other one. So I'm thinking that the saving grace on this is the fact that it's actually kind of interesting. And this is the first time really where we have a project that's going to go all the way through, because right now I can guarantee you videos, they're done, they're uploaded, they're ready to go, ready to be published. You're all good until Christmas time. Now, I'll probably roll through Christmas with it, maybe not. Maybe we'll do a Christmas special kind of thing. I like to be festive a little bit sometimes with videos and just play around with different themes and different ideas. So we're gonna see where that goes and see what happens. And the feedback that I have been getting, the guys are sending me emails or sending me texts or just dropping comments on these videos, or also getting in touch with me through social media and stuff like Instagram and Facebook. Like, I really appreciate all the input for sure, and I take every little bit of it, and I'm gonna make it constructive. So if you have a comment about the videos, about the El Camino stuff, or if you wanna know something about it, what's going on, if you feel like I didn't cover something well enough that I did, I can go back and I can give you guys a better description and show you more in detail what's happening, what's going on and stuff like that. So please don't be shy. Hit those comments down below. And if there's anything that I can do to make you guys watch these more and get more into it and enjoy these videos more, well, please let me know, because it's all about having fun, and I'm trying to build like basically a little bit of a community here, because this channel is not just about a certain type of car or a certain type of thing, or just kind of like about me. It's mostly about my cars and shit, and it revolves around like all the shit I do with cars, right? But a lot of my friends are involved and stuff like that. So this channel is pretty wide, pretty varied, and there's muscle cars, there's tutor cars, and there's all this kind of stuff that we like and we love to do. And I lost my train of thought. Got distracted by my dog. So basically, like all the viewers that are here, the guys for the muscle cars, the guys for the builds, and the guys, all the kind of stuff. If you have any comments, anything you want to see, you have any questions, anything like that, hit it up in the comments and I'll address it in a future video for sure. And I really appreciate so far all the support and all the help. We're almost at 1,000 subs now. So if I could hit that anytime soon, I'd be hysterically happy. That's a crazy milestone that I've been working at for a good 3 years now. And we'll see what happens. But in the end of the day, I do this because I enjoy it. And I know there's a few guys out there, there's like a handful of dudes that watch this all the time. And I just want to say I really, really appreciate it. Much love. Thank you so much for the support. Stick around, because we're just going to keep on rolling with it. We're just going to keep having fun. And as it builds, well, we're going to do more stuff and we're going to do more fun things. So we got more crazy builds coming, and we got all kind of, who knows? You're just going to have to stick around and watch. So get at me. I'll answer your stuff. Peace out. Stay happy.